Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today to be doing my very first box opening for you. I decided to try the Dia company. It's a company that serves plus size girls and tries to get everybody an outfit with clothes that actually fit your body type. And so I'm a little nervous about this, but it's gonna be awesome. If you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe and give a big thumbs up below, and so that I'll know that to do more of these kinds of things. So I'm really nervous. I'm not expecting too much, okay, because I think, so the way that it works is you go online, you fill out a little questionnaire about your style, your sizes, what kinds of things that you like, and then somebody goes and they pull together a box of things based on your description. And I think you can do it every month. You can order a new box, or they can send you one every other month, or you can just do one box. And so I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna go ahead and do maybe two. I'm gonna try two and see how it works, because I think this first time I don't have like too high of expectations, because I think the way that it works is you kind of narrow down what your actual style is. So they send you a box based on your personal description, and then you send something back and say what you liked and what you didn't like about the clothes, and then they kind of try to narrow down what your actual style is. So I'm gonna at least try it twice. Today is my first time. I'm really excited to do it, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it and go and show you. So this is what it looks like when it comes, the Dia&Co company, in case you didn't know. And it's purple, which is my favorite color. So it has this cute little envelope. It has their little logo thing on it, and you open it, and let's see. So it's a little letter from your personal stylist. And then let's see. Okay, so this is like a breakdown. They send you a breakdown of the 5 things that they sent you in your box. So this is the breakdown. So the first thing, try on your handpicked items. You have 5 days to try on everything and decide what you want to keep, and then tell them what you think, give them the feedback so that they can make your next box even better. And the last thing is to pay only for what you love. So you can purchase everything, and then if you purchase everything, you get 25% off your whole entire order. But the cool thing is it's only $20, and so when you pay the $20 for your box to come, they'll even credit you the $20 towards any item in your box that you do purchase. Anyway, so I thought that's pretty cool. $20, no big deal. So yeah, so pay only for what you love. Okay, so I'm on board with that. Okay, and the best part, in my opinion, is you get free shipping both ways. So they send it to you for free, you don't pay for the shipping, and then everything that you don't like that you send back is totally free, and they send you the little thing, and it's pre-postaged. Also, I'm just gonna cover my address on there, but yeah, so they send that to you, and then it's nice in this little cute little folded package. I feel like I'm opening up a present. Okay, the first thing, this little necklace here. So it comes with this is the pretty piece of jewelry that they sent me here, and so you can see it's like this like purpley blue on this really long gold, and at least it's a long necklace, and long necklaces are good because they make you look taller, and I'm all about optical illusions. Okay, oh, this looks really cute. Let me see. And for the clothes part of things, I'll try them on and show you, and then you can see what it looks like. And this is the first time I've actually bought clothes online, except for a pair of pants that I bought on Amazon one time. Okay, so this is cute. It has this like cute little pattern on it, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's long, and it has kind of like the high-low front and back, so the high front and the longer back, which is nice. Okay, what this is, it's like an old navy, not old navy, I'm trying to say navy blue, a navy blue shirt here. I think I might have something like this already. It's really soft though, but I don't know, I'm looking at it, it doesn't seem too special to me or anything. It kind of looks like something that maybe my grandma would wear. I don't know. I'll try it on though. I'm not gonna slam it till I try it. Okay. Okay. First of all, I don't know, this shade of pink is not my favorite color, and I'm not a huge fan of like florally prints. I'm trying to be nice because I've never done one of these before. I don't think I like this dress, but let's see. I'll show it to you anyways. It's this long, but it kind of has these like other patterns here in the bottom, so you can see like all three things there. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like this or not, but I'll try it on. I don't know. Look, I don't know. I'll try it. We'll see. Here we go. Oh, it's basically like a pair of black skinny jeans. So I'll show you. There's no holes or anything in these, so these are nice. I think I already have a pair almost identical to this, so I'll try them on though, and I'll let you know exactly what I think. They are super soft, and that's important. Comfort is really important. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. Let me know what you think about these things in the comments. I want to know your thoughts. I'll be back. All right, so this is the shirt with the pant, and be honest, I don't hate it. It's kind of comfortable. The shirt's, I actually kind of like this shirt. And you know what? These are the jeans that it came with, and I do have a pair very much like these, but these are super soft and comfortable. But as far as like length on my foot, like it's really good, and it comes there. They sit up high, so like it like doesn't squeeze tight, so it doesn't really give you like muffin top, which is like a definite plus in my book. And I kind of just like the feel. Okay, so I totally take back what I said about the grandma shirt, because it has this little X right here, and I like it because the cut is not super low, you know, but this makes this area interesting right here. And this shirt is so soft. Something else on. I feel like I'm like I'm in the dress, and I don't think I like it, and I'm kind of hesitant to come out and show you, but I'm gonna do it anyways. First things first though, can we talk about the neck of this? It's like choking me. Don't laugh at me. And secondly, my legs have not seen the light of day in about 5 months, and maybe a razor for just as long, so don't judge me. Okay. I don't know. I feel like a Hawaiian tutu, kind of, sort of. I don't know. I don't know. I know I hate this. Right here, this part like chokes me out. I don't like that at all. I mean, the material actually is really comfortable, and maybe like in the hot summer it would feel nice, like for people who like to actually wear kind of dresses, but I feel like this is very matronly, and I just don't think I'm there in my life yet. I don't know. Okay, so I tried it all on. I guess I need to go through my little price sheet here. I'll tell you how much everything is so that you can so you know. Okay, so this is called the Grayson necklace, and it is $30, so I would just pay $10 for it. The dress, I'm definitely not going to purchase the dress, and I feel bad because I really wanted to just say like nice positive things, because that's who I am. I mean no offense to anybody, like if they design this dress, because I'm sure there are people that this dress looks really nice on. That is not me. I am not that person. The dress though, if you liked it, was $69, so if you ordered it in a box and you put your $20 credit towards it, it would be $49. I love how soft and how comfortable the black skinny jeans are. They're the Bristol skinny jean with a tall inseam. $49, so those would be $29 with your $20 credit. Okay, and then this cute little shirt here, I think this is called the Chloe mixed media top. So $46, so it'd be $26 if you used your $20 credit. Then the other shirt is called the the Molly and Isadora Carly Lattice tee in the navy blue, and it's $32, so it'd be $12. I cannot tell you enough how soft this material is, and I love the arms and that little neck. The neck part I think was my favorite about this shirt. I also just wanted to tell you how much everything costs all together, and then break it down so that you would know if you were to purchase all 5 things in your box, you get a 25% off discount. And so the merchandise total was $226 minus the $20 credit that you pay for your box, and then minus $56.50 if you purchase everything in the box, leaving it to be a total of $149.50. So about $150, you get 5 new, brand new pieces for your wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It's with the Dia Company. I should probably figure this out. Put it out of the bag. Well, I'm having a little bit of trouble here. There's some like floral. My hair seems like moo-moo-y. So, I don't know. I don't really like it. Ugh. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in and watching me open. Tuning in, is this the Nick Jr. show? Like, I know that's something for me that I was interested, because I wondered, you know, when I saw like ads for like Stitch Fix